Hey guys, what's up? If you want to get your Windows 10 full experience on your Android or iOS device on the same Wi-Fi network with the help of Windows Remote Desktop, then you are on the right place. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting, your mobile device and your PC should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, after connecting both the device on the same Wi-Fi network, you have to go to the settings from the action center and then type the remote desktop. Now if you are not enable the remote desktop, please enable it. After that, you will see the options of making the PC discoverable. On the right hand side, click on show settings. In settings, click on the turn on the network discovery. That's it. From the mobile side, now you have to install the mobile app from the remote desktop client. I will give the link in the description below. You can download it from there, or you can directly download it from the App Store or the Play Store. After downloading, open the app here. Now on the right hand side, you will see the plus button. Touch on it. Now you can scan for the PC. It will take some few seconds to detect the desktop. Then desktop will be visible here. If it is not visible, you can add the desktop name directly too. Now after connecting, it will ask for your Windows email address and the password. After authentication, it will get connected. Now you can access the complete Windows PC on your phone. As you can see, now I am using the Adobe Premiere Pro, which is really heavy software, which you can use pretty easily. Even you can watch movie or open any Windows app, which is possibly you can do on your PC. Apart from that, this app gives you the basic setting options like change the screen resolution according to your phone resolution, portrait mode, landscape mode, and other options like pinch to zoom, etc. So guys, if you are facing any trouble, then comment down below. Pretty much that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.